Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. I have been receiving a lot of comments from you guys on different videos asking what has been going on with my daughter's hair. Where is she now? What's going on with her hair? You guys absolutely miss her tutorials. For those of you who have been on my channel for a long time, you know that I used to post her tutorials all the time. As she's getting older, she doesn't really want to be on YouTube, and I want to give her that choice since she's older. Sometimes I can talk her into doing videos, while other times I really can't. But I thought, let's just make a fair ground and do a overview of her hair routine so that you guys can still get a gist of where her hair is right now. If you're new here, quickly just want to let you know to subscribe to this channel and give it a thumbs up. I would love to have you a part of the channel, so make sure that you subscribe, share this video, all those things. Also, I'm going to be doing a giveaway for you guys, so stay tuned to the end of the video where I show you guys exactly what you're going to get. Let's get to it. So when it comes to Noriya's hair routine, if you guys are wondering or if you're new here, my daughter has 4A hair, and this is her hair right now. So her hair is a lot more coarser than mine, and it also is thicker than mine. So we kind of have the similar routines, but our routines are also very different from one another's because her hair, of course, requires a lot more moisture in order to stay moisturized throughout the week. So we do a little bit of different things, but for the most part, her hair routine is very similar to what I've showed you guys on this channel, with the exception of a few things that we're going to talk about in today's video. So as Noriya has gotten older, she has done a lot of experimenting with like braid styles. I had a video on my channel a while back ago, but she told me to take it off of her doing her hair when she had her braids done, and those are the styles that she actually wears the most. She absolutely loves it styles and like protective styles because she feels like that her hair being out is just too much for her now that she does her own hair. I help her sometimes, which you guys are going to see in this video. Most of the time Noriya is doing her hair by herself, so she likes to keep it, you know, up so that she doesn't have to deal with it throughout the week. So that results in her wearing a lot of braided styles, and she does get weave added to her braids. I've tried to talk her out of it and tell her to just wear her, you know, natural hair, but she feels like that she wants to wear weave, so I let her wear weave sometimes. But our little like agreement is that she has to let her hair breathe. So when she takes out the hairstyles, I make her wait like 2 weeks or so before she's able to go to the next hairstyle, which she doesn't really like. She wants to be able to just go from one hairstyle to the next, but told her that that was not good for her hair. So we don't do that. Your hair has to breathe in order for it to be actually be healthy while you're doing protective style. Well, I wanted to show you guys a very brief routine that I did on her hair this weekend because Noriya just took out her braids, and she did have weave braids in her hair, and so she just took them out. This is what her hair looks like, and we noticed that when she took out her braids that she needed a trim. She also needed a treatment, and she needed some very deep cleansing because she had buildup around the roots of her hair. With her hair type, and texture, I noticed that the buildup can kind of hide in different places because she has such thick hair and her hair is so long and, you know, big. So I made sure that when I did her cleansing, I used Dr. Bronner's, and I used this exact routine that you see here. I posted this on my channel a little while ago, so like actually it was just a few weeks ago, so you guys can click here if you want to see that video. But I definitely love the fact that with the Dr. Bronner's, it gets a deep cleanse. So of course, Dr. Bronner's, you don't want to use that every single wash day. You want to be very gentle in the way that you use Dr. Bronner's as well. And so for Noriya's hair, I only use it when it's needed. So typically it'll be like a bi-monthly thing. But since she took out her braids and she had a lot of buildup on her scalp, I decided that I was going to use the Dr. Bronner's for a cleanser. I started out with a scalp massage on Noriya's hair. When she has in her weave braids, she uses the Gaia Dream Scalp Nectar, or she'll use the Nourish by Shawntas Stimulating Hair Oil to oil her scalp so that, of course, her scalp is not super dry and it's just getting oil while she protects the styles. But I feel like that with this protective style in particular, she wasn't really keeping up with her scalp routine. I'm gonna stay on top of that. So I think she just forgets sometimes, because I feel like that oiling your scalp is very important and it contributes to hair growth greatly. So after I did that routine on her hair and I used a scalp brush on her hair as well, I went ahead and put a treatment in her hair. Because her hair needed a treatment, I wanted to make sure that I did that. And I actually did a DIY treatment on her hair. I decided to use that treatment on her hair. So that is what we used on her hair, and it brought a lot of silkiness to her strands. And this is another treatment that I already have on my channel if you guys want to see exactly how I made this. But this treatment is absolutely amazing. If your hair feels like that it's been through a lot over the course of a few weeks or whatever, this is the go-to treatment to use. So that's why I wanted to use this on her hair, because I feel like that with this treatment, it's more of a reset treatment, and that's what she needed. So I put it on her roots and on her ends of her hair, and I just made sure that I saturated her hair with this treatment, and we actually used the entire bottle on her hair. Her hair felt really nice after we got done with the treatment as well. And then I went in and actually washed the treatment out with the Dr. Bronner's, and we made sure that we got her scalp with the scalp brush and made sure that we got all the buildup out of her hair. After she got done with her wash day, she used a very hydrating conditioner on her hair, and that was the gist of her routine. So when it comes to her wash day routine, I do keep it simple. I have always kept it simple because her hair is already a lot to deal with, and I absolutely love Noriyas' hair because it's so thick and beautiful and long, and I'm just like, oh my god. So she's always had like that thick, beautiful, long hair, but I feel like that even with my routine, I like to keep it simple, and I like to just do things that are going to take less time but also give very effective results. And you guys have let me know that that is the way that you like your routine to be as well. And after this whole entire process, her hair felt so revived and healthy again. Not that it wasn't healthy before, but you know how that feeling where you're just like, oh, my hair feels amazing. We were in love with the fact that this worked so quickly, because when she first started out, her hair was super dry, and it went from dry to like completely revived. So when it comes to products, I'm pretty sure a lot of you want to know what we are using in Noriyas' hair. So when it comes to products, I felt like that instead of just telling you guys all the products that I use in her hair, I wanted to give Noriyas' favorite product that I'm going to mention is the Heavenly Cloud Soft Moisture Boosting Serum, because this is absolutely one of her favorite products, and I always catch her like trying to restock, and I'm like, Noriya, could you please stop? So this is her favorite product. So the reason why Noriya says that she likes this is because she feels like that when she puts it on her hair, it makes her hair feel very soft and also moisturized, and she has noticed that it gets her through her styles a lot easier. So all of her product like favorites are always going to be geared towards the fact that they help with detangling her hair easier, and also that it makes her routine easy, because that's all that she kind of is worried about. So this is the first product that she said was her favorite. And she also likes the Nourished by Shawntas Angelic Cocoa Clear Quartz Jelly. She says that this was her favorite gel because it doesn't weigh her hair, like make her hair feel too hard, but she absolutely loves the fact that also her hair feels very shiny and moisturized. And I gotta say that that's due to the fact that it has aloe vera in this product, and aloe vera is very high up on the ingredient list. So this is her favorite gel. She absolutely loves to do like edge controls on her hair. So her favorite edge control is this Edge Control by Glowpole. I'm gonna put the name on the screen. I don't even know the name, but we get this from Amazon, and this is not my favorite. Like, this is not a choice that I would use because it holds your hair down way too hard. So with her, she likes edge controls that are a lot more stronger and holds your hair down a lot, you know, harder, I guess. Whereas with me, I only use one edge control, and that's the As I Am Long and Luxe edge control, because it's very light. Like, it still holds down your hair, but it's not as tough on your hair. Whereas Noriya does not like the As I Am edge control, and I've even, like, when she ran out of this one, I let her use my As I Am edge control, and she complained like for 3 days straight until I ordered this from Amazon again, because she said that the As I Am one doesn't work as good as this one because she doesn't like edge controls that don't hold your hair like very hard. Like, I don't know how to explain that. I think I'm explaining it wrong, but she likes stronger edge controls, if I can just wrap that up into one bow. So this is the one that she chose for her favorite edge control. And her last favorite product that I noticed that she is always using is going to be the Pink Honeysuckle Deep Treatment Mask. And again, this product is her favorite because it helps with detangling on her wash day. She says that it helps her get through her wash day so easily. It breaks through her tangles very easily. And of course, those are the products that she's gonna go towards. So that's all she'd be thinking about when she does her routine. Like, is it gonna help detangle my hair? Is it gonna make my routine easier? So she needs products that are gonna work fast and be efficient. so those were the tips and tricks that I've been using on her hair thus far, and like updated ones. As I mentioned, everything is pretty similar, but we have of course changed a few products around and a few things have been adjusted as she starts to grow up. But I feel like that this video will still be a lot of ideals and tips for those of you who have her hair type and want to know how her hair has been over the years. So that was Noriya's 4A hair routine, the updated version. Hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, please don't forget to like the video and share this video as well. And also don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. Also, I did mention that I was going to be doing a giveaway, so let me show you guys what I have for the giveaway. This Tymo ring straightening hairbrush, hair comb, I'm sorry. And it also has a brush inside of here as well, so it's like the entire kit. So if you would like to have the Tymo hair straightening comb and you always wanted to try it, that's going to be in the giveaway, as well as Noriya's favorite product, the Heavenly Cloud Soft Moisture Boosting Serum. That's going to be in the giveaway as well. So if you want to win the items that I just mentioned, by the way, this Tymo hair straightener is worth $100, I believe. So just to let you know. So this is going to be over $100 giveaway. So if you guys want to enter, all you have to do is follow me on TikTok. I've been posting on TikTok now. I am now on TikTok. I'm very, very late to the game. I was on TikTok, but I stopped posting, but I'm back to posting regularly. If you want to enter the giveaway, make sure that you look down in the description box for the instructions. One of the main ones being that you have to follow me on TikTok. And of course, you have to be a subscriber to this channel. So I'll be checking all of that. So I will see you guys in my next video. Comment down below any videos that you want to see on this channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.